What up? It's Will Vitella, home technology expert, over at another job site showing you a little bit of before and after on this 4K TV and sound system install. As a home technology expert, I have to be a master in all things, including the tools that I use, just like my scissors. All right now, so check this out. For the surround rear speakers, I'm using these premium in-ceiling speakers that I built into the ceiling from the DaVinci Group. These things are clean sounding, clean looking, and sound absolutely amazing. They have a woofer and a tweeter that's pivoting on an angle that I can direct and face towards the couch so you get the best experience for those planes flying over your head, for the bullets, for the rain. And I match it up with this white, blended in beautifully, Sonos Arc Dolby Atmos soundbar speaker underneath that TV. Wow, that looks gorgeous. And underneath, I hid this white Sonos premium dual subwoofer. Sounds absolutely amazing for that impactful bass. And of course, I have the TV right over it, looking gorgeous. Sony 4K LED TV with Apple TV 4K. Here's a shot of the rear speakers using designer trimless grills, so they blend in beautifully with that ceiling. So again, with the television set, I set it up with an Apple TV 4K. Now, what does that mean? Is that you get simplicity and you get a great simple menu that you can use with one remote control for power, for volume, to be able to change channels with your DirecTV stream or YouTube TV or whatever you're using for your local channels or your DVR. But none of that works without using a robust Wi-Fi internet network. And I use an eero Pro Wi-Fi 6E mesh internet, hardwired of course, in order to get the best fast experience. When you want things to work together, simple, easy, professionally custom like this, go to hometechexpert.com and click on schedule a free estimate.